Is up YouTube. It's really cold outside, so it's really windy. So I'll show you. It's like probably 30, 40 mile an hour gusts. As you can tell, it's windy. Yeah, my phone screen is shattered. My birthday is tomorrow. So I'm going to tighten this chainsaw blade. So put it in the vise. Crank her down. Alright. Yeah, my birthday's tomorrow. I got a new phone. I'll show you that at the end of this video. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so I got my 7/16 wrench. And just take it, bust it loose. Get it a little bit loose. Take this like so, pull it tight as you can get it. And then I'm gonna have to do this. Alright, well, just take this, crank it tight. Okay, I think that's tight enough. Alright, got that all tightened. You want it to have at least like a quarter of that showing, or 3/4 of that showing. So now let's see if it'll start up. I highly doubt it, but it might. Yeah, it's not going to. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, well, I think that it's not focused. I can't really see with this phone. Alright, well, stay tuned. Alright, so I got it focused. As you can hear, it's really windy. Oh my gosh. It's cold and it's windy, so I think I'm gonna go stack some wood real quick, maybe. So I'm gonna show you my new phone, so stay tuned. Alright, so here's my new phone. Kinda looks like an iPhone X, but it's a Samsung, so I think it's got 1080p. It's a better phone, but yeah, so I'm going to be using this. If I can get my pop socket off, I will. But yeah, here it is. Alright, well, I think that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Peace.